Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my class. So today's topic is electronic stuffs. Lesson 5. So here I'm going to mention the electronic stuffs and you have to repeat after me. And you can write these words on your book. Printer, printer. Scanner, scanner. Laptop, laptop. Computer, computer. Earphone, earphone. Headset, headset. Radio, radio. Speaker, speaker. Handphone, handphone. Television, television. DVD player, DVD player. Fan, fan. Next, clothes. Sweater, sweater. Hoodie, hoodie. Skirt, skirt. Shorts, shorts. Blouse, blouse. Pajamas, pajamas. Tie, tie. Scarf, scarf. Hat, cap. Gloves, gloves. Thank you for today. And you have to memorize the electronic stuffs and the cloth stuffs. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.